Congratulations, Roanoke. WXL60. Beep. Beep.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Roanoke County, Pulaski County in southwestern Virginia, Giles County in southwestern Virginia, Craig County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Radford in southwestern Virginia, Central Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, East Central Bland County in southwestern Virginia, Eastern Wood County in southwestern Virginia, Montgomery County in southwestern Virginia, Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is big.
At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union to Gillespie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
This is
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
This is big.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding,
That's big.
and trees.
That's what she said.
Locations impacted include Blacksburg, Christiansburg, Radford, Pulaski, and Withville. This includes the following location: Virginia Tech.
Crap. And the station didn't bother to read the rest. I'll read it. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern North Carolina and south central, southwestern, and west central Virginia. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Plattsburgh Facebook page and on Twitter. That kind of sounded cool. And what the Greenville Spartanburg issue? Oh, they expired the severe thunderstorm warning for Cleveland and Rutherford.